Let us simplify this nice problem which has exponents. So our purpose is to find the solution where we will have only the numbers and not any powers or exponents. Now the given expression 40 raised to the power 10 divided by 80 raised to the power 5 can be written as 4 into 10 40 raised to the power 10 divided by 8 into 10 80, the whole is raised to the power 5. Now let's use a formula. If you have seen this formula, that is, if a is multiplied by b is whole raised to the power m, then we can write it in a way that a is raised to the power m multiplied by b is raised to the power m. So we can write 4 from the numerator here raised to the power 10 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 10. We are doing nothing but just applying the given formula in our expression. That is divided by 8 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5 from the numerator. Now can we write it as 4 raised to the power 10 divided by 8 raised to the power 5, and that is multiplied by 10 raised to the power 10 divided by 10 raised to the power 5. Now from this expression we can write, instead of 4 raised to the power 10, we can write 2 raised to the power 2, 2 2s are 4, and the whole expression is raised to the power 10 divided by 2 raised to the power 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, and that whole is raised to the power 5. That is multiplied by 10 raised to the power 10, and that is divided by 10 raised to the power 5. Now this expression can be written as in this way. We will use again another formula. So the formula is, if a is raised to the power m and the whole expression is raised to the power n, then we can write a is raised to the power m multiplied by n. So if there is powers separated by a bracket, we actually multiply the powers or the exponents. So we will use the same thing right here and here, and our expression will become 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 10 is 20, and then 2 raised to the power in denominator 3 5s are 15 multiplied by 10 raised to the power. Now it is 10, and in the denominator the exponent is 5. So we will use the formula, if a is raised to the power m is divided by a is raised to the power m n, so the bases are same and the powers are different, the exponents are different, then it is equal to a is raised to the power m minus n. So as we can see here in our question, that 10 is raised to the power 10 and 10 is raised to the power 10. That is, the bases are same and the powers are different, then we subtract the powers. So the powers are 10 and 5, so the powers will be now 10 minus 5. And the next step would be, now here again in 2 the base is 2, and we can subtract the exponents or powers, so it will be 20 minus 15 multiplied by 10, and that is 10 minus 5 is 5. So we have 2 raised to the power 20 minus 15 is 5, and 10 raised to the power is 5. Now 2 raised to the power 5, that is nothing but simply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 multiplied by 5 times. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. So it will become 32 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5. So 10 raised to the power 5 is nothing but writing 10 5 times and multiplying each of them, which gives us nothing but 5 zeros after 1. So it will be 1 and then 5 zeros. And when we multiply these two, the answer is simply 32, and you put 5 zeros after that. And this is your required answer. Thank you.